What do you want when you grow up, Raven? Ha? What do you want? Police or fireman? What?
Police.
Police? Why? Why do you want to become a police?
Chase the bad guy.
Ha?
Chase the bad guy.
And then,
The underarrest him.
you can under arrest the bad guy. And then,
And I jail him.
you put to the jail
Hmm?
the bad guy. And then,
To his hands.
oh. And then,
And police is my best.
police is your best. And then, what else?
My friend.
The police is your friend.
Yes.
And then, what else? How about the doctor? You want to become a doctor someday?
Hmm? Help the people.
Help.
Better.
And then, you can help the people. What else?
Next time will help.
And then,
And he's so sleepy.
sleepy where?
To his bed.
To the bed. And then, you give the medicine.
Hmm?
And then,
To people.
and then,
Tapping si Rebel.
and then, what happened the ribbon cupping? And then,
Wala ko the better.
ay, wala pa ka na bitter. Then,
Play sa ko toys.
oh, please ka og toys.
Hmm?